Hello, whatever you are, Dr. Ballberry here. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up, but my friends over in St. Creaturesburg refer to it as Valentween. Why have Halloween in October when you can also have it in February? Last year I painted a picture. This year I'm going to do some cooking. And it's real easy to do, and I'm going to show you how. You know, nothing beats getting something handmade, if you will, than something from scratch. Oh my goodness, did you hear that scratch? So let me glove up and dig in. Goggles for safety. Anyhow, we have a main ingredient here. It's B positive blood, of course. Fresh. So let's put in a couple spiders. That thing has some legs. We have some cockroaches. They're nice and crunchy. We have some bats, you know, when you're on the fly, whatever. Here we have a little bit of the blue stuff. Ooh, it's red. I don't know. Spiced coffee. I don't know what it is. It's blue. A little roughage, little bones. Hey, wait. Get back down there. And some teeth. And last but not least, oh. Ooh. Oh, well, a good chef always has to test it, you know what I mean? Let's see here. Oh, look at there. Something you can really eat your heart out with. So come on over to Valentween, and the information's down at the bottom of the screen, and I'll be lurking for you.